Hi friends, today we'll make a fruit cake, a healthy version of the traditional fruit cake. To make this cake, we'll use whole wheat flour and jaggery. The cake is so moist and it is full of flavors. So let us see how to make this delicious cake without using refined flour or refined sugar. Welcome dear friends to Rianza Bakes. Let us start the recipe. To make this cake, here I have taken 150 gram of whole wheat flour or atta. Into that we'll add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good mix or sift it 2 or 3 times. Into a mixer grinder bowl, we'll take 150 gram of jaggery powder. Here I have used one Paris jaggery powder. And into this 2 pieces of cinnamon, 4 cloves and 1/8 of a nutmeg. Powder it and keep it aside. Lightly beat 3 eggs with a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 1/4 teaspoon of orange essence, and keep it aside. Into 100 grams of ghee, we'll add the powdered jaggery and we'll beat it well till it becomes fluffy. It will change the color and become light and fluffy. Now into this we'll add the beaten eggs and mix it in. Now we'll sift in the flour mix. In this recipe we are not using any caramel because the jaggery itself will give a nice color to the cake. Here I have taken 250 grams of soaked fruits. Soaking of the fruits can be done in rum or fruit juice. The soaking video we have already done. If you don't have soaked fruits, you can just soak the fruits in fruit juice or in tea for about 24 hours. If you're using fruit juice, just keep it in the refrigerator while soaking, and then you can use the same fruits for the recipe.
Any fruits of your choice can be used. Here I have used black raisins, golden raisins, currants, glazed cherries, cranberries, dates, fig, prunes, mixed peel, glazed ginger, etc.
Now we'll add some toasted cashew nuts, about 30 to 40 grams. Toasting the nuts will give a nice flavor of the nuts to the cake. You can use any nuts of your choice, pistas, almonds or walnuts. Just fold it in nicely, and then to get the right consistency, we'll add 1 tablespoon of water. Now we'll transfer this into a prepared 6-inch square cake tin, and we'll bake this at about 160 to 170 degrees Celsius for about 1 hour or till the toothpick comes out clean. I've leveled the cake and we'll put some of the fruits and nuts on top of the cake. and then bake it. The skewer has come out clean, so our cake is baked. It took a little more than 1 hour. We'll take it out from the oven and allow it to cool down in the tray itself. After the cake cools down, we'll take it out and
brush the cake with some rum. This will keep the cake moist and flavorful. This is optional. This is such a healthy and delicious cake. Do try the recipe. Hope you liked the video. And if you like the video, please don't forget to press the like button, as it would help the video to reach more people. And also share with your friends and relatives if you think it would be useful for them. Thank you so much for watching. See you all with a new video. Bye.